This display will be carry about 100 kilogram. The size, the white is very big. We are doing a texting. Each shelf is about 20 kilo. Each shelf. So because this display should carry the products when shipping, and we assemble here, put the products here. It should be very safe. Right now, because it's too wide, we are testing, and I think we need to move this support bar to here. I think it's more safe, and also increase the weight of the material. Increase the weight of the material, I think. The side panel. The side panel is no problem because we have this metal bar support, so it won't broken off this part. The next important is about the shelf. So we need to increase this material. Okay.